I went to A&W after work today, and I got myself this fucking frozen lemonade thing. They have it, and they put sweet cum in it. And it's fucking delicious.
I'm sorry, what? Sweet cum?
Sweet cream.
They cave in
Sweet
it?
cream.
Sweet cream. Okay, I heard cum for a second.
No, yeah, I said cum.
Okay, this sounds.
What
This
the
is actually.
What the? How am I already fucking dying? How am I I'm getting
Damn,
wobble
what the
comboed. What the fuck?
What?
Dude, is there supposed to be like fucking motion blur in this game?
That's kind of what it looks like. Holy shit!
What the hell? I died so fast. Where were the
How the fuck do I swim? How do I swim? How the fuck I'm a gator. How can I not fucking swim?
thrown in? What the?
What the fuck? I just got fucking power punched.
Or just fucking use a hammer on me. What the fuck is that?
I just got.
Can you swim by pressing the grab buttons?
So fast.
Holy shit, you can swim by pressing the grab buttons. Why is jump? Oh, I just got fucking bombed. I made it back on and then I got fucking bombed.
Well, I learned the swim thing a little bit late.
Fuck me. Did Jackie say that? I see your fucking body at the bottom of the fucking ravine. Get him on. Oh shit, why'd you knock me out? Holy fuck! You fucking bitch, I'm your teammate. You fucking bitch, I'm your teammate. That's what I've learned so far.
Yeah, every match I've gotten into, I've like got spawn die.
What?
Fuck over here. Oh shit!
The duck is just
Austin just got
fucking
mollywopped in
See,
one
look,
hit.
like,
Bro, Austin, that was
finishing the game.
one
The game
hit.
is already-
That was one hit and you got folded. Oh, I can already tell that fucking train map is gonna be hectic as hell. Okay, add coal to the furnace to speed up your train. So, okay,
This one doesn't
Plain
seem as
game.
bad. This one
seems like you have to
a little
actually
more
have teamwork.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna jump across
Okay,
and
so-
start fighting, guaranteed.
Probably.
Yeah.
Bro, I like this fucking crocodile. This my boy. Fucking
Yeah,
Javier took my duck, so I'm just
bro, that
he
white
actually-
gorilla goes crazy. The albino gorilla.
Oh, is that Bunny jacking off?
yeah.
What the fuck, my man? Hey, yo, prank him, John. Oh, boys. Okay, I'm on
Oh my
Austin's team.
God.
What the fuck you doing?
Oh wait, I thought we were just fighting each other.
No, bro, we trying to grab coal and put it in the
Oh
furnace.
no, yeah, jump!
Y is jump, Y is jump.
So you like hold on and press Y.
Holy shit, there's a gun.
Up, up.
I suck. I need that. I need that. I need that.
Okay. Oh, I'm learning.
Oh, y'all bitches
Okay.
better be careful.
Oh.
I got a fucking gun. Fuck you.
Oh, Ryan, is that you?
Fuck. Oh, shit.
Got my ass.
Oh,
beat.
you respawn. Oh, you respawn in this game
Oh,
mode.
sick.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, Ryan, there's a blue guy behind us.
Did we both just fall off the fucking thing?
Yes.
Fuck me, bro.
I can't see anything.
I have coal. Give me.
There we go. Okay, let's
I
go,
got
Jack.
tased.
Let's go, Jack.
I got tased.
Let's get some shit.
You just tased me. Some dude
There's a
just
motherfucker with a
tased
taser.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Taser, 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 taser. Sir, get down. Sir, get on the ground. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
Oh no no.
Oh, I just knocked out Austin. I just knocked out Austin. Stop
Oh,
resisting. Stop resisting.
Yeah.
Stop resisting. Oh,
Wait,
shit.
where's a red train, Ryan?
Oh, shit.
I got another coal.
I took one for the team and jumped off with him.
Focus on the coal. Let's go.
Yeah, Austin, do
Let's
a
go.
part-time job in this video game. Focus on work. Days never finish.
I'm not gonna be beating no one's ass away.
Master got me working. Someday Master set me free. Holy shit, I'm booking it. Like, that was like cartoon running sound effect type run right there. Put the fucking coal in the furnace, you fucking stupid crocodile.
This motherfucker.
Fuck it, I'm
jumped
leaving that.
Crocodile
You can do it,
now.
Austin. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Austin, no!
Oh my god.
You just put Austin in the
I
furnace!
in the furnace. Ryan, you just killed me.
I just put Austin in the fucking furnace!
Ryan, you just knocked me
I'm a menace, bro. Holy shit.
Gotta knock them out, Jack. Yep. Bye, gorilla. Oh no.
I just watched you fall fucking. Boys, we need to get on our fucking. We need to get on our slave trade, boys. We need to get on our fucking days never fade.
Boys, I'm holding on to this duck for fucking dear life.
Boys, the fucking corgi's coming. He's coming, boys.
What?
He's coming. No pause.
Alright.
There we go. I just killed the duck, boys. Not myself, but
Bro,
I killed the duck.
I'm 2v1ing the blue guys on the train right now.
Come on. Take it.
Fuck
Take
you.
it.
Fuck you. Yeah, get off the fucking train. Fuck you. Get it in, Austin. Get it in. I got him. I got him.
Yeah,
Get it in,
the
Austin.
train.
I'll take him.
got it in, I got
I'll
it.
take him with me. Get the fuck off the train, you fucking corgi,
Go,
bitch.
boys. Keep her going.
Into the furnaces with you. Sacrifice my life for my train. Oh
Oh,
shit.
there's a blue guy coming from the back.
Austin.
Oh, he took me with him!
Bro, Austin
The
just
corgi took me
fucking
with him.
backhanded me. Like he pimp slapped my ass, bro. God damn.
Thing.
There's no more coal, bro. I need coal. Oh, we're way ahead, boys.
That's what.
Oh, we're way
Got
ahead,
some coal,
boys.
I got some
All right,
coal.
we go on the
That's what
offensive.
happened.
We go on the offensive now.
The rabbit is a dub.
Austin,
The
use
I
it.
rabbit
would.
is my go-to. I like the
Yeah,
rabbit.
fuck you all. Yeah, fuck all. Holy
God
shit.
damn.
Yeah, boy. Get over here, Austin. Yeah, boy.
I came and
Bro, that pickle's crazy. Bro, that pickle's... That's a thumbnail. That pickle's fucking crazy. That's my thumbnail. I'm sticking with the tried and true, boys. Is that a fucking Pakistani tiger?
It is.
Is that an Arab tiger?
He's got sunglasses too, bro.
He's rich. That's our rich Arab tiger.
oh, people are trying to knock me
Wait,
off.
who's the retarded dinosaur?
Me.
Okay, Austin, you're on my team.
Oh, I'm on the green team.
Oh shit! Yo,
knocked
we
my
just got
ass
fucking folded. Get my ass up. Get my ass up. Get my ass up. Nah. What is that? A missile?
Oh shit, there's fucking bomb. Oh my god.
Holy shit! We're nuking America.
That
Oh
shit
my fucking
blew me
god!
up.
Oh, get up. The fuck up.
Swim.
Dude, these guys got fucking hammers
Swim.
and shit.
Swim.
Holy
I'm
shit,
dead,
bro.
Ryan, I'm dead. No, I'm dead.
No, it's okay, Austin. I
Dead,
clutch
dead.
up. Watch this shit. Watch this shit, Austin. I clutch up. Fuck you.
I just got knocked the fuck out.
Fuck you.
No
There's
banana.
nobody on my team. Like, who the fuck is on my
Don't worry,
team?
Austin. I clutch up here. Holy shit!
I'll throw a fish.
Oh, fuck.
Throw a fish.
Never mind.
Boom.
I'm dead.
Oh, I can throw. Jack, don't worry. I'll get ready to throw a fish at them.
Oh, you can
Wait
throw
for the-
shit?
wait for the
Oh, let me
fish.
throw a fucking banana peel. Hold
Yeah.
on. How do you throw shit?
Wait.
Oh, like that.
Hey. Yeah. Yo,
Like what?
Jack, you look
How?
like you need some help.
Jack looks like
Like
he's
the
getting
banana
Do you need
railed.
some help?
Yo, this tiger's a tryhard. Do you see this tiger?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna bomb him. I'm gonna give him a taste of his own medicine.
Oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna save up for a bomb too.
Alright, you ready? Fuck, it bounced off. Oh shit.
It
It doesn't do anything. What the
The
fuck?
bomb just bounced off bro's head.
Bro, it doesn't do anything.
Oh,
Help! Help me!
Oh shit!
Fuck off, dude.
Oh, can I make it back?
Send me
Can I make it
into the
back?
fucking
Can I make it
rocket
back?
hole
Can I make it
and
back?
die.
Can I make it back?
alright.
This one
Alright,
sucks.
I'm back
I
on.
wanna be on
I'm
your
back on.
guys'
We're not
team.
out just yet.
Holy shit, I made it back. How the fuck did I just swim like that? I'm a god. Give me the fuck up. There we go,
I
sorry.
wanna buy a bomb.
Oh shit!
No, run!
Holy shit, the
I'm
sheep
back
is
on.
fucking me. No, please.
Come on.
Okay, back up. We
Please.
back. We
Please.
don't lose around here, baby. Who's gonna carry the fucking boats? Who's gonna carry the fucking boats?
Let's go. Get out with your bat. Get out with your bat. Let's go. I just saw the bat.
Fuck me. Fuck me.
Let go of me, tiger.
Who's gonna
Let go
carry
of
the
me.
fucking boats? We don't give a
Yo.
fuck here.
No,
We the ones
get
who
away from me.
fucker.
Get away from me.
Oh, that's a bomb.
Oh, that's a bomb.
Oh, that's a. Oh, also we gotta go.
Boys.
Also we gotta climb. Fuck. Oh shit.
Did I just
Yes.
kill you both?
Swim back. Swim back. Swim back. Swim back. No, we got it. We got it. We got it. We got it.
Come on, no.
You got it, Austin. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Please, please, no. I'm sinking. I'm sinking. Wait, I think I get it.
I fucking made it,
Killed
boys.
both of you guys? Oh, Ryan.
Oh,
Ryan
I'm
survived.
fucking this tiger up. Get over here, boy. You ain't fucking living
No.
shit.
Fucking the tiger?
Ryan, I'm dead.
Fuck
I'm
over
so
here.
dead.
Get your ass off this
I'm
fucking.
dead. Yeah.
Watch me fuck this tiger.
Ryan.
Watch me fuck this tiger. Yeah, what
It's
you
all
gonna
up
do?
to you.
Yeah, what you ass gonna do? Yeah, that's what I thought. Get your bitch ass. Get your fucking Stop throwing shit. Fuck. Get your fucking. I'm fucking him. I'm literally fucking him.
I hit Ryan with the fish.
Yes. Stay alive.
No,
Stay alive. No, stay alive.
Just swim ahead of him and you're
Let's go,
good.
Ryan. You won, Ryan.
I had to have. This has to be a victory, right? Let's go.
Want a pit?
Let's go.
Oh, yes, Ryan.
Let's go. Now I'm gonna suicide bomb this tiger. Oh, he fucked me immediately. This tiger has a vengeance, bro. Holy
Fuck off,
shit.
Ryan. Get the fuck out of here.
Bro, that tiger had a fucking vengeance. He immediately threw me off the fucking boat. Oh, fuck me. Oh, shit. Fuck me, bro. Bro, that's the third
game
time
sucks.
that I've just
I
been
keep
pushed
fucking
off
getting
this
killed.
fucking boat, bro.
Get over here. Get over.
Dude, I knocked him out with the fist. Did you see?
Yeah, get
That
your
off.
bitch ass. Oh, shit. Fuck me, bro.
Oh, God.
Are you fucking kidding
I
me,
saw
bro?
Ryan get
Are
fucking
you
blown
fucking
away.
getting launched?
I see a little bunny trying to climb the top.
Hey, don't. Leave me alone.
Hey, Jack.
I'm trying to fucking beat this asshole
Hey,
up.
Jack.
Oh, God, no. That was terrible.
Hey, Jack.
Dude, I haven't made it this far ever.
Hey, Jack.
How do I throw people?
Hey, Jack. Yeah, they're fucked. They're fucked.
Fuck. Fuck.
Hold on for dear
I'm
life.
dead. Fucking let go of the fucking. Let go of the fucking dog.
Oh my God, that was the best bomb ever.
Was that you, Austin? Did you throw that?
That was my bomb.
Oh, look at the bat fucking swinging around.
Dude.
That was fucking perfectly placed, bro.
No, dude.
Good
I
job,
won, but
Ryan.
at what
7,
cost?
5, 8, 5, 7, 7 to solve the game because you decided to grab me instead of, you know.
There's
fighting
voice chat.
against winning.
There's fucking voice chat.
Someone is salty. Someone's
bro's in
salty.
voice
That
chat.
guy, he's salty at me. Look, he's beating me
Player
up.
111 decided to throw the game.
Imagine getting fucking.
Player
Imagine getting salty
Player
in party
7, 8.
animals.
Back to the classic
Bro,
duck, baby.
Suka Sam is scratching his ass. He's getting like all up in there.
He who goes to bed with itchy bum will wake up with smelly finger.
Yo.
Did you guys see me get fucking yeeted?
Oh, yo.
Ryan suicide bombing. You just killed them all. You just killed everybody.
Oh my God. That shit was so funny.
I just fucking suicide bombed. Oh, now everyone's mad.
Let's go. I got the gorilla now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo, I got a plunger on his dick. Bro, he's literally on his dick. What the fuck? He can't move it.
No.
Bro,
That guy just threw me across.
What
your
the fuck?
safety
Yeah, that
afloat.
looks
That looks gangsta.
Take the balloon safe back to base turn. So it's capture the flag.
Doesn't sound so thick when you put it.
Capture the flag. Oh, you gotta capture me. Let's win this shit. We gotta go get the balloon and bring it back.
Hell nah.
For freedom! Oh, fuck. Sorry, boys.
Ah.
Fuck you, you fucking cat.
Oh,
I just knocked you out.
knocked
Yeah, that was my bad.
out.
That was my bad.
Oh, I just got knocked out.
I'm riding the balloon over.
Kobe.
I'm riding. Oh, shit! What the fuck was that? That was sick. That was fucking sick. We did some fucking spin move. Oh
Let's
shit.
Go. Bring this
Oh
over.
shit, I'm dead.
Bring this back over here. I am not letting go. You gotta knock my ass out to get this out.
Awesome, I'll drag you. I'll drag you. I'll drag you. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Oh my God. Yo.
Oh shit! I got bodied.
Fuck off.
Get his ass off it. Get his fat ass fucking cat off it. Get this Garfield ass. Yes! Yes!
Dude. Yes, let's go. That was sick when we pulled
Oh,
off.
that was fire. Some crazy ass fucking teamwork.
Ah, give me this.
Shinzo
I'll drag him if I
Sasageo.
have to. Gonna be right. Drag him. Oh my god, this Garfield just.
No, he's going fucking crazy. He hates Mondays, bro. He fucking hates Mondays. Fuck you both. Yeah, take it back, Daffy. Take it away, Daffy. Oh my god, I'm fucking insane. I'm fucking insane. Help, Austin. We running this bitch back. Let's go. To the thing. Let's go. Let's go. Keep him away from it. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, bro.
Out of here. Get out of here.
Bro, we team carrying out here. Fuck me. Yeah. I got you. Bring it over here.
Let's go.
Let's go. We got it. Big moves, big money moves. Let go.
No, I can't.
I'm beating him up. I got his ass.
Come on.
It's so close.
No, I knocked him.
Holy shit, our teammate
That
just
shit.
bodied me.
You're getting that shit.
No, that's wraps, bro. We got this shit.
Oh, we might not.
No, we got it. Fuck.
Yep, we got that shit. Oh, come on, Scooby. Let's go.
Get this shit up. That's easy. That's wraps.
Come on.
Joe, fucking.
Let go, Scooby. Let go.
Oh, that he went up with it.
Yes.
Yeah, fuck you. All right, Austin. I was gonna drag you off the edge. Holy shit, the tiger's suplexing you. All right, Austin. We gotta get a good thumbnail. Get to the front. We gotta get a good thumbnail. Oh fuck. That goes crazy.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty fucking good.
Thanks again for dropping in, and we hope you've enjoyed the evening as much as we've enjoyed having you here. Till next time, please drive carefully, and good night now.